So on behalf of the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, I'd like to send my condolences to the families, the relatives who have lost their loved ones in this very unfortunate tragedy. I want to assure them that the government is doing everything possible to ensure that we support them. As we speak now, we have airlifted many government officials who are here. Food and other supplies are also being prepared to ensure that those who have been affected are taken care of, including getting alternative settlement area for them. And I want to say that this tragedy really reminds us that we must be very careful during this rainy season, especially along this Kerio Valley escarpment all the way from Samburu to West Pokot. And I want to ask our people to be on the lookout. We want to request all of them to go to higher ground and to avoid areas that are prone to landslide, because we already know areas that are prone to landslide. But at the moment, I want to ask the people of Kerio Valley here, people of the three wards in Marakwet East, to continue pulling together the way they have done, and to support each other in solidarity, even as we reach out to the bereaved and the ones who are still searching for their loved ones. And I believe that in the fullness of time, we will continue giving an update. I also want to laud the multi-agency approach that has brought together all arms of government and non-state actors and the county government to make sure that we... Today we came here to respond to this disaster that has occurred in the Marakwet East. We have here three wards that have been affected. That is Mbobute Mbolot ward, Endo ward, and Sambrir ward. We have been able to evacuate about 25 injured victims of this disaster, but we still also have more than 30 people who are missing. We can account for about 15 persons who have already died. And so everything is being done here to make sure that this situation is handled. We have proper coordination in terms of on the ground here, led by the Deputy County Commissioner here and the various agencies. I want to appreciate the multi-agency approach, the military, the police, and also the Ngao officers who are here. The county government is heavily involved, and the governor is here himself, and also the Red Cross and other partners who are non-state actors. We will establish a proper mechanism for continued search, and already we have established a desk here for families to report their missing persons, and we will be updating the country in the course of time. I just want to say that this is really unfortunate. We have also used our chiefs to make sure that we move our people to safe grounds in this area, and I believe that if we work together as a team, we should be able to resolve this issue.